Hey love bugs, on this video I am bringing you this look with my first impressions on the LA Colors liquid makeup foundation. I got it from my local beauty supply and it was $1.99, and let me see to confirm, yep, it was $1.99. I seen it and I was like, well, I love the concealers, am I gonna love this? So I'm bringing you my honest review, first time impressions on the foundation. But before we get in this video, make sure you are subscribed. You know, tell your neighbors, don't tell your boyfriend, because you know I don't want them problems at all. But you know, tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your grandma, just tell everybody, you know, just come over, subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm nice, I'm friendly, I give hugs and kisses and all of that. But let's jump into this video. Thanks, bye guys. Last Tuesday on the 3rd, and then my mother's is on the 26th. So we had a like a party, a little get together at the house, and I was just filled with joy. And let's just say I done messed around and got alcohol poisoning. So I got like my Gatorade, I'm eating my chicken noodle soup, I'm sick, but making videos calms me, you know, it brings me peace. But I was just so happy, like Cardi B, now she pregnant. I took a shot for her. So at my party, it was this lady that was there, and she had like a funky little attitude, which I didn't understand. Like, who comes to someone else's party with an attitude? Like, I've never seen this lady ever, and sitting in a corner with the whole attitude. So for a primer, I'm just gonna go in with Elf from Keep It All drugstore. But she's sitting in a corner with a whole attitude. I just used 2 pumps, and then when I walked by, when I tell y'all I was so drunk, like everybody, I was making everyone take a shot every 10 minutes. It was every 10 minutes and every time somebody walked in. So every time somebody new came in, everybody had to take a shot. And every 10 minutes, everybody has to take a shot. And, you know, 10 minutes to somebody that's already drunk really was a minute. So I probably was taking shots every minute or whatever. But, you know, I digress. But when I was walking past her, like to give her her shot glass to say, you know, come on, let's take a shot. I was trying to include her or whatever. She was like, you look real cute. You look like Shaka Khan or, what's her name? Tina Turner. She's like, you look like if they was to have a child, that's who you would look like. And so I'm like, I don't have a problem with those people. I think those people are lovely. I was just like, thank you. But if you're my friend here lately, I've been watching too many ratchet realities. So I just used 2 pumps. I've been watching too many ratchet realities, and ooh, this don't look like my shade. Well, we're just gonna make it do what it do. But here lately I've been watching, what is that show? Married to Medicine. And y'all know Heavenly, she will always say your mama. So in my head I'm like, your mama. And I don't, like, some people, me and my friend that I work with, like, we say it to each other because we know where it's coming from and we don't take it to heart. But I feel like if I was to say that to anyone else, anybody else would, like, they'll be all in their feelings. So this is just 1 pump. Right? So the party was on Saturday. Sunday, I woke up and I was like just sick. So I made a promise. I prayed to God. Y'all know every time you get drunk, everybody always praying to the Lord, if you bring me through this, I'll never drink again. But I was like, Jesus, if you bring me through this, you only turn water into wine. So I'm guessing I can only drink wine. So that's all I'm gonna drink from here on out. And then I was like, I'm not gonna lie, because God know me. I'm just not gonna, I'm gonna know my limit. It's like, I think on camera I look cool, but it's very patchy or whatever. I don't know. See, when I wear makeup, I don't want it to look like makeup. Like, I want it to look like my skin, but better. Cake. Like, it really looked like cake. Like, and it's like, it's doing something weird on my nose. Like, what is that? I don't know what's going on. Like, it's like, it's caking up. And I used warm honey. And then in the foundation, it was tan. And I'm happy for Cardi B. Like, in my head, I think I'm older than her. I think. But in my head, we're sisters. Like, she's my spirit. Spirit animal, my alter ego, all of that. Like, because I feel like I know her, but I only seen her once in concert. But like, I bought her album. I bought her album at, like, in stores, and then I ordered it on iTunes or whatever. Like, I'm here for it. I support. She's just dope. Everybody was an ex something or whatever, and the fact that she lives in her truth and she's not hiding it, or, you know, not like downplaying it. Yeah, she was a stripper, but she was stripping to get studio time. She was doing this to do that. You know, like, it was a reason for, you know, the ass shaking and ass clapping. So I'm here for it. And I'm mad because after I get done with this, I have to go somewhere. And I'm gonna have to wash my face all over because I refuse to walk out like this. Like, no. No, no. I don't want to talk bad about it because I'm not that type of person. I hate giving negative reviews to things. But, and it may work for somebody. Someone may like the cakey look. It's just me, I don't want to have to look in the mirror and be like, oh yeah, I have on makeup right now. I'm just going in with Maybelline. I'll go with my beauty blender. And then it's doing something. Just throw the whole face away, okay? Just throw the whole face away. Oh, what? Putting a powder on top of it. I don't know if you can see on screen, but putting a powder on it, it did something weird. Like, we're just gonna finish the look. We're just gonna finish the look, okay? Mad too because I love the Pro concealers. Like, I love Pro concealers. I love them. Love, 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 love them. So I was hoping, wishing, praying, you know, that I would love the liquid makeup as well. But no. I mean, you get what you pay for though. So I didn't think it would be comparison to, you know, like Maybelline or Fenty or anything like that. I mean, you only paid $2.16 for this. So you get what you pay for. But damn. Just do something simple for the eyes. Just something simple. Like, might just throw some glitter on there. It's the Velvet Touch eyeshadow from e.l.f. I've used it before. You use your hands for it. I don't know how I feel about that, but you just use your fingers and pat it on your eyes. I'm going in with brown right now. And then I'm gonna go in with the pink color. Go in with this red. I guess we can set it. This is NYX. I ain't using on this damn makeup. I'm mad. Like, I am really mad. Putting no eyeliner on. I'm not putting no lashes on because I'm about to go wash my face. You win some, you lose some. This was definitely a lost. Go wash my face. Scrub my face. I mean, okay, so let's take away one good thing. It's light. It's light. It doesn't feel heavy or it goes great with the concealers. If anyone else used it and loved it, you know, I'm not knocking it. It may work for you. It just may be my skin that it doesn't work with, you know. Tomato, tomato, potato, potato. Whatever. But this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have used this foundation. It's the LA Colors liquid makeup. Let me know if you use it and if you like it. Maybe I was doing it wrong. Maybe they came out with their own, you know, stuff that wasn't at the beauty supply store that I was supposed to use to make this, you know, go from 0 to 100 real quick. But you learn. You learn. I'm gonna look this up and see if anyone else has used this and you know what their reviews are. Maybe it was me. Maybe it was user error, you know. Maybe my skin is just jacked up. But yes, I digress. So we're gonna end this video because I have to now go scrub my face and I was supposed to be walking out the door after this video, but I'm gonna be late. Nothing new.